can fool them into thinking that they've got more belonging, for example, if they've got the Chanel thing on their bag, or if they've got the Beamer or the Mercedes. We can fool them into having a sense of belonging. Okay, it's fake when they drive out of the car lot, whatever, but that's not our problem. They're free to choose. So we're in a system that is diverting our evolutionary drive to self-realize or self-actualize. You don't have to be. You can be at choice about not doing this or not letting it influence you or being the common denominator of your life and making the choices. You can be at choice.